Hey there, my fellow hustlers. Ready for another mind-blowing tutorial? Buckle up, because today we're diving into the wild world of setting up integrations in GoHighLevel. Let's make some digital magic happen. Step 1. Location, location, location. First things first, make sure you're in the right place, my friend. Get inside that account or location where you want those integrations to work their funky mojo. Step 2. Launchpad, baby. Picture this. It's like your personal checklist for success. It's going to ask you to do some cool stuff like downloading the app, connecting Google My Business, hooking up Facebook, and even adding a web chat widget for your website. And hey, you can even connect your Stripe account, WordPress, and bring in your awesome team members. Clickety-click, baby. Step 3, the secret sauce. Settings, my friend. Seek out the integration section like a treasure hunter on a mission. Click that button and open the gateway to integration heaven. Step 4, more integrations, more power moves. Get ready to level up, folks. You can sync your Google account and make it dance with your system's calendars. Connect your Facebook and Instagram accounts, and bam! Messages will flow into your conversations like confetti at a party. QuickBooks, Clio, Stripe, Shopify, TikTok, you name it, we got it. Just click, sign in, and follow the beat. It's integration galore. Step 5, the grand finale, my friend. Why all this integration madness, you ask? Well, it's the secret sauce that brings harmony to your system. It connects you with the software you need to rock your business like a boss. Sync, connect, and conquer. So, my hustler amigos, if you're feeling the groove and want to ask me anything, don't hold back. Have an epic day and keep rocking. Thanks for joining this mind-blowing tutorial. And hey, for more tutorial goodness, check out my GoHighLevel playlist. Stay funky!